Abra, when you sleep, you make a weird noise. And I'm like, what noise? And she said, you make the same noise in your sleep that I make when I suck your dick. Okay, we got a problem. This is when I took the.
Imagine somebody outside of Abba's hotel room, like walking past, and then they hear him snoring or making noises while he sleep, and they just pop the door open just to see what they thought they heard, only to find him sleeping. Bro, that would be one hell of a conversation to have with him. Like, bro, I really thought there was a woman in here, bro. I'm sorry to crack the door open, but I just cracked the door open to see if there was a woman in here, and you're the only one here. What the hell? Like, dude, you sound like you... Never mind, just close the door and leave. I don't know, that's weird. I've never heard of that, so... I've heard of sleep apnea, but not in the sense that they talk about it.
True story, by the way.
I know. That's why I'm laughing, because this is a true story. This is not your bullshit face. This is like, that's what she said, and I was like, shit, we got her.